So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply a two-digit number times a two-digit number. What you're doing here is you're essentially going to be multiplying 3 times 64, and that answer is going to go down here. And then you're going to do 7, but the 7 is in the tens place. So you're actually doing 70 times 64, and the answer is going to be down here. And then you're going to add those numbers. So I'm going to tell you the first step. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to box the number that's here, right? You're going to do 3 times 4, and then you're going to do 3 times 6. Okay, so 3 times 4, that should give me 12. But since I can't put 12 here, it's going to carry over here. So it's going to be 12. Next, I'm going to do 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, but I still had to add one more. So that should give me 19. Now I'm done with multiplying 3 times 64, which is 192. Now what I'm going to do is I don't need this anymore, and I don't need this anymore. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 64, which is actually 70 times 64. And anytime a number ends with 0, we got to cross it out and write it down. So I'm going to pretend that there's a 0, and I'm going to write it down here so I can start my new row, right? This is where my new row will go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 7 times 4. I'm always going to start with the ones place first. So I will do 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Well, I can't put 28 here because it's going to have to carry over. So I'm going to put 28. Anytime you multiply times a number here, anything extra is going to carry over. So when I did 7 times 4, it became 28. Now what I'm going to do is multiply 7 times 6. Well, 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. Then I'm going to add my two answers. And that gives me 4,672.